This is 3/4 tongue and groove sheeting. It's strong, but your code may only call for 5/8 or even 1/2 inch. Here Joe and I are scattering an entire row out in front of us. We use construction adhesive for a couple of reasons. It bonds the plywood to the joist, and it keeps the floor from squeaking. We only run on a sheet's worth of this stuff at a time. This way it won't dry out. And on most joists, we can run a bead right down the middle. But where the sheet of plywood ends, I need to run it right on the edge. We flop a sheet over and nail it in place. We follow our building code and drive 8-penny sinkers every 4 inches along the perimeter of the building, every 12 inches in the field, and every 6 inches at the joints. Now your code may call for ring shanks or even screw nails. Plywood will expand in wet weather, so we leave an 1/8 inch gap in between those joints. We just stick in an 8-penny nail, then we're ready to nail it off. On longer runs, leaving an 1/8 inch gap between the sheets means the ends won't always break on a joist. Now when that happens, just trim a sheet or scab on a 2x to give the end full support. Oops.